No, I'm not putting my bonnet back on. I'm finna wash and dry my motherfucking hair, bitch, and put it in a ponytail. You don't worry about my hair, bitch. And I hope you ain't in the city of St. Louis. Bitch, you ought to not be worried about my hair. Again, y'all keep saying do anything like what I do know is that she got on Facebook and laughed about this shit. That's what I do know. I do know for a fact that she was on several statuses. She on everybody's status on Facebook making a mockery of this shit. That's what I do know. I'm not talking about I don't know if she did something, I don't give a fuck. But what I do know is, bitch, stop trolling my city like this. Funny is not funny. And if she did do something, she making it seem like she didn't. Get outside about your sister, Taviana. Get outside about